Did you hear about Bob's new hybrid water heater?
No. What a hybrid water heater?
I'm not totally sure. It's supposed to save energy.
That sounds great. Where did he get it?
He said his plumber, Paul, from ABT Plumbing, got it and installed it for him.
Was it expensive?
Bob said that they gave him a no-interest payment plan for a whole year.
Wow, our water heater is getting pretty old. I think it's like 10 years old. Maybe I should call ABT. Do you have their number?
I do. It's 530272912.
Thanks, I'll call them at the next break. Thanks again.